Are you complaining to me about something?
Bridge, put your tongue back in your mouth now. Put your tongue back in.
You just didn't learn. Clearly the trash can didn't work.
Oh, no bite.
You look just like your mama. Oh, mama.
You cop.
You fucking, you fucking, you bloody bastard bitch! You, fuck you, bloody fuck you, bloody!